Welcome to solverfy.
All right, for question 56, we're asked to use Appendix B, which lists the vapor pressure of water at various external pressures. And you first need to plot that data with pressure versus temperature. And this is an example of what that plot would look like when you plot the pressure on the y-axis and the temperature on the x-axis. We're then supposed to use that plot to estimate the vapor pressure of water at body temperature, which is approximately 37 degrees Celsius. So that should be about halfway there, should be 30. That's about 35. So we're looking just a little bit above that, and you come over, I'm about halfway in this area, so between 0 and 100. So for A, I would estimate that at approximately, that at 37 degrees Celsius, we're looking at approximately 50 torr pressure. For part B, it says, explain the significance of the data point at 760 torr, 100 degrees Celsius. So 760 torr, that's the same as 1 atmosphere. And 1 atmosphere is considered normal pressure, and 100 degrees Celsius, that point right there at the 760 and the 100 degrees Celsius, that is your normal boiling point. The normal boiling point of water. So the normal boiling point is the point on the graph for vapor pressure versus temperature at which the pressure is the normal pressure, which is 1 atmosphere or 760 torr. Question C says a city at an altitude of 5,000 feet above sea level has a barometric pressure of 633 torr. To what temperature would they have to heat water to boil in this city? So the boiling point is this line. And so if we come to, instead of at normal pressure at 760 torr, they are at 633 torr. So they're somewhere about a third of the way between 6 and 700. So we're looking here, and if we come down, or somewhere in here, we're at the approximately at a 95 degrees Celsius for the boiling point at that pressure. Question D says a city with an altitude of 500 feet below sea level has a pressure of approximately 774 torr, and it wants to know what water would boil at that pressure. So at 774 torr, we're about 3/4 of the way up here. We are just over this 100 line. So we're looking at just somewhere in the vicinity of 101 degrees Celsius, maybe even a little bit less.